Hey guys, welcome back to another video tutorial. In this video I'm gonna teach with you how you can create a responsive navbar using HTML CSS and also a little bit of JavaScript. So here is the project. So I'm gonna show you how does work it. So this is large screen size when you hit the small screen size, right? As you can see, and I'm able to see the bars. So in the small screen size, as you can see, when I click on that, so very simple way you can use HTML CSS and JavaScript to create this one project. So I'm going to close that and open my code editor. Inside my code editor have a style.css and font awesome file, JS file. All files are empty, but inside the CSS file have a Google fonts like Roboto and Poppins. So let's get started to create a responsive navbar. So I'm gonna use header and then anchor link. This is the logo. Inside the logo I'm gonna use React tag class bronze fa React. Inside there I'm going to create a nav, assign the class navbar. Inside the navbar I'm going to use the anchor link hash. This will be home, about, and this will be services, and this will be courses. Then I'm gonna add that will be contact. So very simple: home, about, services, courses, and contact. After the navbar I'm gonna add the class icons. In the icons I'm gonna add that tag class fa bars. Also I'm gonna add that will be menus bar id that will help us to use that to display and hide the menus. So then I'm gonna add the class some icons fas. You can use fa search, and I'm gonna get that. This will be fa shopping cart, and this will be fa user. So I think everything is clear on there. So let's open that on the project, right? But why I can't see the React? So there is mistake. So let's see. Right, perfect. So let's work on the CSS. So in the CSS I'm gonna add the first I'm going to create a root, create a variables. So the first one I'm gonna add that green is 60, and this will be black, and inside that I'm gonna add 192 F56 and light color. I use light color like this one, and this is the small numbers, and also I'm gonna add the box shadow 0.5 m, 1.5 m, RGB 0, just a minute, 0, and this will be 0.1. Then I'm gonna add that reset property, padding 0, margin 0, box sizing, border box. Then I'm going to select the HTML tag. The default font size is 100%, but this time I'm going to change the size will be 62.5%, and I'm going to hide the overflow. X means left and right will be hidden, and I'm going to add that transition all 0.3s liner. Then I'm going to select the body, and the body I'm going to select the font family will be Poppins, sans serif, then I'm going to use text tones from uppercase. So it's very simple, right? So let's work on the anchor link. I also select the text decoration will be none. Then I'm going to select the header tag. I'm going to show you this one. And the header tag, the first thing I'm going to add that will be position fixed. I like the right top 0, left 0, and then I'm going to use right 0, and I'm going to use padding. Top and bottom will be 2 rem, and left and right 7%. Display flags to display the content in the center, and I want to make a space, so use justify content space between, and then you need to use background will be white, and box shadow I'm gonna add that will be shadow will be var. So let's see, so let's right. Once we've done that, then I'm gonna select the logo tag, header.logo. Inside the logo have a color will be black, and font size I'm going to use 3.5 rem. Font weight I'm going to add that will be bold. So let's see, perfect. Then I'm going to select the header Navbar anchor link. So font size I'm going to add that will be 1.7 rem. Border radius I'm going to use will be 0.5 rem, and I'm going to add that padding top and bottom 0.5 rem, left and right 1.5 rem. Color will be light. We need to check the light color. Okay, light is great. So I'm going to save that and let's check it now. Perfect. Then I'm going to select the navbar icons. So first I'm going to set that, and let's see, like this one have many icons. So select the icons tag, and inside the icons first I'm going to select the header icons, I tag, comma, header icons. Inside have anchor link, right? So first I'm going to select that, and I'm going to add that will be cursor will be pointer, and margin left 0.5 rem, height 4.5 rem, line height I'm going to add that will be same, height 4.5 rem, and width will be 4.5 rem because I will manage that on center. Font size will be 1.7 rem. Color will be black, and then I'm going to use the border radius will be 50%, and background I'm going to use that That's great. Why? Just a minute, I'm going to check that. Margin left, height will be 4.5 rem, line height has a mistake, so let's see. Perfect, guys. So let's hover the mouse, and I'm gonna add that header not icons, I tag hover, comma, and I'm gonna use header icons and anchor link, comma, hover. I'm gonna use same thing, color will be white, and background I'm gonna add that green color. So let's see. Oh, what happened? Header. Just a minute, I'm gonna check that. Save, and let's see. It doesn't work on there. I don't know why. Header icons. Okay guys, I think we need to remove this one because it's not on there. So let's see. Perfect. Now let's check it now. Everything is clear. Right now we're gonna use the bars, and also I'm gonna add that will be cross sign, means close button, but I'm gonna show you how you can manage that on later. This time you just gonna use the close -btn, and this is the fa times. So let's see. Right, also I'm gonna add that the class active on there, that will help us active. So let's see, and I think we need to add the active class on the hover effect, where I have used the hover. I think we need to get that, and just a minute. Right, and we need to use hover comma header anchor link dot active class. So inside they have the same thing, so I think it should be, but I think we need to use active. So let's see. Perfect. So in the small screen size, the first thing I'm gonna get that the size. So we're gonna use the different size media queries to manage our content. So let's see how we can do that. So the first thing I have assigned the IDs like close btn and menus btn. So you need to select the btn that are available inside the header section, and just write display none, and also we need to use the header also and call the menus. So you can't see right now on the different screen sizes of the browser, right? But when I decrease the size of the browser, then I want to display that. So first thing I'm going to show you, I use media max width. In the max width I'm going to 999 pixel. I'm going to change the font size, will be font size 55%. Then I'm going to use the header, and in the header I'm going to use padding top and bottom 2 rem or left and right 2 rem. So save, and let's see when you will hit the small screen size. As you can see, it will move on the accurate position of the browser, right? So the next one is 768 pixel. So I'm going to get that and use 768 pixel. And the 768 pixel, the first thing I'm going to get that menus and use display block. In the small screen size, I want to display the menus. So let's see. Right, as you can see. But don't worry, we will manage that one by one. Then I'm going to select in the small screen side, I'm going to select the header or navbar. So I'm going to use position absolute. In the position absolute, I'm going to use top will be 100% and left 0, right 0, and I'm going to use the background will be white, and then I'm going to use bottom 0.1 rem solid RGBA. Then I'm going to use 0.2. So I think so. Let's see. Right, I think we need to check that. Where is my mistake? This time I'm gonna leave this one because I just checked that. So okay, I call the header Navbar anchor link. In the anchor link, the first thing I'm gonna add that display block. So let's see, right? And then I'm gonna add that padding 1 rem, 1.5 rem is best size of that, and I'm gonna use margin all side 1 rem. Font size I'm gonna add that 2 rem, and I'm gonna use background will be #EEE, and I think it should be displayed perfectly, right? Okay. Why? So, and just a minute. Okay, I think we need to check that. Where is my mistake? So, where I have used the hover effect, I think it is, just a minute, header icons, I take just a minute guys. Okay, I will change the same thing on there, and I already mentioned on over, but there I'm gonna also add that will be anchor link. So let's see. No, just a minute. Okay guys, I need to check that. This never nowhere I have active one there. This is never, I think it should be display perfect. So those content appeared inside the Navbar class, so everything is clear on there. So when you decrease the size of the browser and increase the size, or you can decrease the size. So the important thing is I want to hide that. So when I hide that, then we're gonna display the icons. So I'm gonna add that will be, I'm gonna select the navbar and call display none, means I want to hide that in the small screen size. Perfect. And then I'm gonna select my button tag like those and display them inline block to display on the small screen size, right? But I want to hide that and display this one. The first thing I'm going to show you how you can manage that. So I go to JS file. In the JS file you need to get the data. So I'm going to show you, write the keyword let main use. You can write any name as you want. I'm going to use document.query, select all, and then you need to select the navbar class that you have assigned on there, like this one. Inside there have a content, right? So you need to select that and assign the value inside the menus variable. We will use the menus variable inside the JavaScript. Create another variable, menus btn, right? And then I'm going to use menus btn document.query selector all. So the first thing I'm going to get the menus bar icon. I mean this one. So you need to get that and paste on there. You can use same thing, but this time you need to change the variable name. So this will be close btn. So you need to get the second one variable, I mean id, close btn, and paste on there, right? Once you've done that, then you need to use menus.btn. You need to target this one variable to generate the event. Which event? Add event listener. Just a minute. Add. Just a minute. I'm gonna select this one. Add event. Just a minute. We need to use the IDs on each. Then I'm gonna add that. Add event listener, and which event you will use? I'm gonna use that will be click event. Write the function keyword parenthesis keyword. When I click on this one icon, then I want to add the class inside my navbar, where after the navbar I want to active the another class. You can write any name as you want. So I'm going to use the menus, this one variable, and call dot class dot add class dot add, and then inside there you need to add the, just a minute, I'm going to change the size. Inside there you need to add any name. For example, I'm going to use active2. So first we're going to check that it's working or not. So I'm going to get that on my browser, and I'm going to use this one and open it and inspect element. So I'm going to select the heading, not body, header, and navbar. Focus on there. When I click on this one, I can't see the navbar to why. I don't know, but I need to check that where is mistake. Query selector. So I'm going to change that. I think it should be display on there. Click on, first I'm going to check that, and this will be header, navbar, have a navbar class. I can't see, so query selector, document dot query selector, add event listener. Is a mistake, event listener. So let's see. Perfect. As you can see, guys, navbar active2 text has been appeared inside the navbar. So we will use that to display the navbar, right? And also you need to get that again and select. First I'm going to comment that. I'm going to show you how you can use that. So I go to inside my CSS file 768 pixel. Inside there I just target the header. Inside the header have a .navbar and .active2 text or class. When it is active, then I want to display the navbar. So sir, let's see it's working or not. So refer that, click again, not working, and this time I think it should be display no. Just a minute, I'm going to check that. Navbar. Okay, I think this class name is large size. Perfect. As you can see, guys, close that. As you can see, right? But I want to hide that with the help of close button. So first thing, you need to manage this one button. So I'm going to get this one button from there and display on there. So let's see on this one size. So the first thing I need to fix this one, close btn like this one, copy it, go to above, and inside there have a style. So you need to use header, you need to assign the same style that you assign on there, like this one. Then you need to use the event, same event like this one. So I'm gonna use that same thing, but you need to use close btn event, and inside there you just need to use remove. When it's click on this one icon, it's remove. Click on that, appeared, click on that, remove. Click on that. If you want to change the size or position, you can do that. So this is a complete responsive menus, guys. So I'm going to show you in the small screen size and large screen size. Right, this is large screen size, and when you will hit the small screen size, right, go down, but this is affected. Click on that, close, click on that. Everything is perfect on there, guys. So I hope you understood as well. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day, guys.